Hello everyone, welcome to College Algebra Online. This is our home page and things are going to look just slightly different because this is the instructor view. So this is my report card of all the classes that I'm in, but the classes that you're enrolled in will show up here. And your announcements, you'll want to click here to read any announcements that there might be. Now, over here on the left are all the buttons that you'll need to make sure you click on and read everything. In particular, I'm going to jump down here to the Alex information, and this is where a computer program that will help you, a website that will help you learn the material for this course. And be sure to click on this link right there. It will help you do your signing up and everything. Even though it was created for a Math 040 class, all of the steps are exactly the same. You'll need the course code right here, and there's a link you could click on here or the link, either one, and use that course code. And you need to have purchased an Alex access code, and if you haven't, then you can use a temporary access code down here that works for about a couple of weeks, but it doesn't add 2 weeks to your code. And here's a syllabus you could click on to see all the different topics that we're going to learn. Back over here on the left again, there's a link, Facebook. I would highly recommend signing up for this. You don't have to friend anyone, even if you're not a big Facebook fan, which I'm not. But this is a way that is a little bit easier to use than the Blackboard discussions. You'll be able to post pictures, or in other words documents that you can share with each other to ask questions and things like that with your classmates and with me. Your syllabus and schedules are here. Schedules, make sure you print out copies of one of these two versions of when everything is due, and then this list of everything that's due. That does not include the Alex items in there. However, your syllabus is here as far as what the class is going to cover. Course supplies in here, you're going to need your textbook. You could use the online version. The Alex 360 has an e-book, so you don't necessarily have to have that, and that reminds me that I didn't put that note here on the site, so you do have the option of using either one. You will need a scientific calculator, and I put pictures up here of all the different colors of my favorite one, but any scientific calculator is fine. Firefox is recommended for Blackboard, and some of the videos I will include PowerPoints with. Not all of them, but you might need a viewer that's free. Okay, and then how to calculate your grade. It may not be available tomorrow morning. I need to do some more editing in that area. This is where you see your grades. This is where you can send an email directly to me if you would like through the Blackboard. Web Links Library has information about how to submit written homework using your PDF, and I'm going to talk about that here in just a minute, all the PDF. Here's information about me. This is how to contact me. Email is the best way. You can text message me if you would like through the Google Voice number. You can also leave a voice message, or you could call my office. I'm just not there as much. There's me, there's my cats, and a little bit about me. So, all right. The heart of the course, though, is up here, the second one that I skipped before, units and lessons. Oh, by the way, I need to mention this very last one. It's on every online course, Blackboard course, but it leads directly to the online department that can help you if you have questions. But our course, units and lessons, is the big part. Hopefully you've already been to this part because you're watching this video, so you've clicked here and watched the video. This is where you're going to start. We have a month to do the first 3 lessons, and you'll have your first tests the 25th, 26th, or 27th. You have a choice, and if none of those dates work for you, you need to call, email me as soon as possible so we can figure out what to do. By the way, ProctorU, we will not be able to use that for this course because everything is in writing, paper, pencil. So your very first assignment's due Thursday, so this is really, really fast, but it's just a preparation section. Make sure you read everything here. I'm not going to spend a lot of time in the video because this will get real tedious. Preparing for the course, you've got several things to do. Sign up for your ALEX and do the initial assessment. Do a survey here that lets me know where you're taking your tests. And then this first one is extremely important to make sure you get the routine down on how to submit your written homework assignments, and you can do this one over and over and over until you get it right. And actually there is one thing I do need to show you here. Hopefully this will open quickly. Blackboard's been very slow tonight. There's a rubric, and it should allow you to see the rubric somewhere, and hopefully it'll allow you to see the rubric right here. I need to go make sure that that's available. But what I mean by a rubric, it's a fancy word for how you're going to be graded. So make sure that you click on that to see how all of the points are going to be given to you, okay? And in your course you won't see all of these things. Those are the things that show up for the teachers end of things. So okay, I apologize, that was not what I intended to do. Okay, anyway, you've got those to do by Thursday this week. Now at the same time you need to be working on skills review in lesson 1. Now this is going to talk about how the course is organized, ROPE. Every lesson is going to be read, observe, practice, evaluate your learning. You're going to read in the book, read in ALEX, observe and listen. There's going to be a bunch of videos in here. I'm still working on some of these. You're going to practice by working on your pie sections, practice in the textbook. They're just for your practice, not to be turned in. The evaluate area is where things are turned in for a grade. And then in this section there's 2 assignments. The skills review, of course there's the ALEX, okay, and this I need to do some editing. There's more than 5 problems. I just copied that from another class. Your skills review worksheet is quite a long worksheet. It's 5 pages. You're going to submit it just like you did the trial run. Now this one is one of the only assignments for this semester that you turn it in until you have a perfect score. And the reason is that this is extremely important that you be able to do all of these skills well to be successful in the course. And so you've got till February 6th, about a week and 4 days. And the lesson 1 worksheet that's over section 2.3 and 2.6, it will be short, much shorter than the skills review, probably just 2 pages maximum with maybe 8 to 10 questions. So it will be considerably shorter. But this was going to take you a while, so get started early. All right, so in general, what you're going to do with each unit, let me get back here, Blackboard is slowing down on me again. What you're going to do, each unit, each lesson, and I'm working on them right now, is they're not all up there just yet, but I am working on it. And I'm sorry, Blackboard has just slowed to a crawl. I'm going to pause until Blackboard comes. Aha, there it is. All right, so Unit 1, that'll go all the way through February 27th, and currently I am working on Unit 2. Unit 1, the only things there right now are the preparation, the skills review, and upcoming Lesson 2, it just says is coming soon. And so you can work ahead if you want to, but you can't get behind. So make sure that you're careful about that. If you have any questions whatsoever, please email me right away. And welcome.